Hi trippers, my name is Glory. Welcome to another episode of Travel Workshop with TAT. Today I'll be giving you tips on how to pack and what to pack for a trip. Number 1, travel document. You need your passport, your visa, your ID, your travel insurance and itinerary. Number 2, money. You need cash, debit cards, credit cards and necessary currency for your destination. Number 3, clothing. Weather appropriate attires cannot be overemphasized. If you're traveling to a cold area, make sure to pack sweaters and all the likes. If you're traveling to a warm region, make sure to pack, your bikini. Number 4, toiletries and travel size essentials. You need toothbrushes, you need toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, soap, your travel pillow, eye masks, earplugs. You need all those things. Number 5, electronics. You need your phone, its charger, and if you're traveling internationally, you need your adapter and any other gadget you might also need. And finally, you need your travel guide and map. This is very helpful for navigating new destinations. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and share to as many people as possible. And don't forget to turn on post notification for new updates as they come in.